Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, we'll compare Cap versus Loom, which screen recording app is better. First things first, Cap. It is a newer screen recording tool focused on AI-powered editing. Now its main features is screen plus webcam recording with instant captions. You have AI trims filter words for and ah. It adds subtitles and create highlights. Exports optimized for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and social platform. Now this is great if you want to highlight something on your recording and instantly want to upload it for social media. Its strength is it's fast, you have social media friendly and smart AI editing. The weakness is that it is still growing. You have fewer collaboration features than Loom. Second, we have Loom screen recording. It is a business-focused video messaging tool. Its main features is a record screen, camera, or both with one click. You have instant shareable links for teams and clients. And lastly, you have viewer analytics, reactions, and integrations with Slack, Notion, and Google Workspace. Its greatest strengths is that it's great for workplace communication and async video, and its weakness is that editing tools are basic compared to Cap. Now, Cap is best for content creators who need fast AI edits and social media ready videos. Loom is best for teams and professionals who want quick video messages for work. So they do differ a lot. You just have to choose one that suit your needs. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.